Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the Pepe update today. Bitcoin is making a fake out and maybe $52,000 is kind of being postponed at the moment. And the next thing that I want to talk about is that Pepe day by day is making better signs. You see, we're still moving like this and the RSI shows that there's a lot of buying activity going on. So as long as people are going to step in, big investors are going to step in, then I think that it's time for Pepe to probably push back up a little bit and give a relief rally, take some few stop losses at 556, 588, 606, maybe even probably up to 761. So I think these are untouched or untapped liquidity. I may say people, that's what they call it nowadays, untapped liquidity. So I personally think that you might even have untapped liquidity up to 757. And that's a song, by the way. Anyways, so I'm looking for maybe this trend line. And this trend line makes a lot of sense because when you lost it, you didn't really touch it or retest the line. So I think coming up here is very realistic. I think coming up to 708 is realistic. So we are looking for another push, and that can be 34% to the upside. And that's all for this update on Pepe. Quick one, and I'm going to see you the next one in the office.